It's a 2014 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek looking, fuel efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. Features include inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth hands-free link, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, multifunction steering wheel, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend explains the new CR-V is exactly what it needs to be. Another heart-of-market people mover that sells hundreds of thousands of copies to buyers who rank fuel economy and versatility above all else. For that, Honda's nailed it again. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit today. We are conveniently located at 7601 Glenwood Avenue in Raleigh, North Carolina.